Hey there, fellow home enthusiasts. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, your go-to channel for simple and effective solutions to make your living space healthier and happier. Today, we're tackling a notorious pest that can turn your sanctuary into a nightmare: bed bugs. I'm going to share with you the ultimate guide on how to get rid of bed bugs with home remedies. If you've been itching for a solution, stick around because this video is packed with actionable tips to kick those bed bugs out for good. Have bed bugs taken over your home? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video I'll be showing you my top 5 all-natural home remedies to get rid of those pesky bed bugs for good. These remedies use common household items to kill and repel bed bugs, so you don't have to deal with the hassle and expense of calling an exterminator. No more nasty chemicals or bug bombs needed. First up, diatomaceous earth, or DA. This powder is made up of tiny fossilized algae with sharp edges that cut up the bed bug's exoskeletons, causing them to dry out and die. Just lightly dust it along your baseboards, around bed frames, and in cracks or crevices. The bed bugs will crawl through it and get shredded. Next, rubbing alcohol kills bed bugs on contact by dissolving their cells. Put some on a rag and wipe down infested mattresses and furniture. It evaporates quickly, so it's great for regular disinfecting and upkeep. Essential oils like tea tree, lavender, peppermint and eucalyptus repel bed bugs thanks to their strong scents. Mix a few drops with water in a spray bottle and spritz infested areas and possible entry points like windows and door frames. This creates a bug barrier. Use dryer sheets stuffed into crevices drive bed bugs away too. Their subtle scent is intolerable to bed bugs but unnoticeable to us. Simply place them under mattress tags and in cracks. Finally, seal cracks and crevices around your home with caulk. This denies bed bugs access and hiding places. No more sneaking in through tiny gaps. Prevent infestations for good. There you have it, my top 5 all-natural solutions for kicking bed bugs to the curb once and for all without using harsh chemicals. Give one or all of these homemade remedies a try and take back control of your home. Let me know in the comments if you have any other bed bug fixes.